This tutorial review will show you how to add multiple links on Instagram bio. Open your Instagram and tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Bio. And I'm gonna pasting my YouTube link here, and then give a space, and now you can add another link here, and I suggest to do this here. So to add multiple links in your Instagram, you can tap on these links, tap on add external link, and here give here your link, give your title, give your title, done. And that's how you can add up to 5 external link. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.